Hello guys, welcome after a 1.5 week break when the FX option was in the maintenance. Today we can see market was going down from 12 o'clock. Nice movement, you can make lots of them. From 8 o'clock could go up, perfect movements in here. Later we could do some money in here and in here. Then now we're waiting for the time frame to stop, and probably I'll be looking for the uptrend in a few minutes. And we're back. On this moment we can see it's still below the 10 SMA. So you can see in here still I was thinking that's my close above in here, and after that it would jump a little up, but in this moment this one, both lines crossing here. We'll see. Anyway, just quick analyze what was happened before. On 1 o'clock was have good movement. You can see in here let's go up, bounce, later break, bounce back again to line. In here break, that's another line, don't go much above, and after that dropping down. Then in here basically was have very good movement on this candle, when it was closed. We could easily, can see a massive drop down from here and here. Then basically that was 1 o'clock was closed, and straight away after until basically 2 o'clock you can see from here could go even up to here. That's from 1 o'clock, and that's the lowest one where was, which different is amazing. Then from this moment how it looks on the 5 minutes, that was just here, and probably will entry to make just show after this candle and drop down up to here. Then we'll make probably our target 50% day one on this. But that was nice break from the trading for last week. We can have, sorry, now we're just waiting for proper moment. I mamy tutaj pierwsza, kolejna świeczka po tym. Zobaczmy, co widzę, że to będzie dobry moment w tym momencie. Pyk. Daliśmy 60 000 i teraz mamy kolejne 54 minuty na to, żeby nam skoczyło o 50%, czyli 25 000 ma być tutaj jako na moim koncie. Dostępny do wypłaty tutaj. Chyba że będzie bardzo opornie szło, to w ciągu godziny przynajmniej, żeby było w tym momencie, gdy się rynek zamknie, ale przeważnie wypłacam wcześniej, więc czekamy, zobaczymy. Więc ja już tutaj sobie wcześniej zaznaczyłem na niebieską tutaj linią. Mniej więcej nasz cel powinien się znajdować 50% gdzieś w tej granicy. Daliśmy na 1,252, tu jest na 1,262, to jest 10 pipów, więc to jest nasz cel, żeby uzyskać 10 pipów. Ej. Sorry, nacisnąłem I pressed the wrong button. Then you will see how it started. Now it's 33, 40. It's nearly our target in here, 27 grand. Sorry, 30 grand. Then if it will be around at this level in 6 minutes, then we'll get about the 30 grand, which is good. Or maybe I'll get in here 30 first. Then we'll see. You can see then I was hitting our target, like I was saying, 10 pips difference. Then that was very nice. 50. Oh wow, nearly double on this moment. But this one still is on the 30, on 23, 21, now 23 again. Then I think I'll wait this 5 minutes just to see if this would go up to 30 or not, or I'll be happy under this level. Even if it will be 50%, that's still brilliant. But we'll see how much we can get after this 1.5 week off. 26 gone down. This countdown now makes me worried. I want to jump even more. Perfect. And now basically we have our 31 grand, and still 4 minutes before them. Maybe that will go up a little more, but I don't care. I have my target, and that's the most important. Thanks for watching.